Okay, you gotta go. Thank you. Anything happen?
Yeah, very fast coming up.
Huh?
It's coming up at the floor.
It's still coming up.
Yeah, I just put a pump there, so it started to actually move. You can actually see it moving up.
Is the pump working downstairs? In the garage?
No, I don't think so. He said it was off. Or he said there's water down there too. So.
He said there's water down there?
There's water in the garage?
Yeah, the garage, yeah.
You never told me that.
I just got here, so it's obviously...
I asked you if the pump was working downstairs.
No, the pump, some pumps working. The floor is
I gotta go down and check the pump right now.
I'm coming with you.
Yeah.
You're gonna leave that
Hey.
there?
Hey buddy, can you open the laundry room just 1 second? I just want to make sure that its cable's secure. How's the pump?
It's not the pump.
It's not the pump?
It's water coming through the wall at the boiler room.
Oh.
With the main drain, you can see where the main drain is.
Yeah. Oh.
So yeah, it's right here. It's the school board and whatever, crybaby. would start crying. So that's obviously the main.
Yeah, yeah.
And then it's seeping through this, the boiler room.
I see. I
So
see.
it's seeping
Through the boiler room floor, yeah. Okay. All right. So. So where am I? Why he told me to go through the laundry room?
I don't know. Who, Steve?
Jason. Jason, he
Well,
said.
maybe it connects on this one.
That's what he said. He said that he said somehow when he was snaking it, it went out and came out of the
So
laundry
my
room.
boiler room is actually, it lands down this low,
Right.
right? Because you walk
Yes,
down
I know
into it,
that exactly.
And it's coming out of there.
Right. So he said the snake somehow went up and it came out of the laundry room. So and then he snaked it through the laundry room and he cleared it. So that's why he told me to go through the laundry room when I came here. So where's the laundry room?
I'm assuming close to either
Must
this
be.
one.
Is it connected to this stack?
Would it be that far back?
I don't know. But if I run the machine,
No.
and then you'll be able to tell me.
I don't think it, yes, I can do that.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't think it's this far back. I think you're further, you're on. So this garage only goes up to almost the back wall.
Oh,
So that's the back wall of the building,
that's the back wall of the building.
of the L,
Of the L.
right? Where you went in the front door, this is the back wall of the building.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
And over here, yes, it
So the
goes back.
laundry room, when I came in, is over here.
I think it might be this one. Depends which way it goes. You may come back to this one.
It might be. Well, there's only one way to tell. I'm gonna go run the machine, and then I'll come and see you in a minute. You let me in. Let me in the front door. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Yeah, you'll hear it because I'm gonna pull it out. Okay. Let's go. It's a beautiful day.
Hindi ko alam, Jay, tumbok tuluhan ko. Ada Jay, Hindi ko pagkilap. Iyakap iduluhan kasi isip ka.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, let's see. Who the fuck knows?
No, thank you.
Wouldn't be the first time I've stuck it in the wrong hole. Yeah. All right. Yeah? How you doing, bud? Good. Hi. Okay. you see in the boiler room. It's all gone. It's fixed. It's a beautiful. Where did it go? Well, there you go. It looks like this salt's in the way. You want me to take a few bags?
Yeah, that's a salt.